Hi guys, today I will tell you how to solve this problem. You are just doing a mistake, that's why this problem is occurred every time, so you are doing like this. You are choosing other keyframes. That's why the problem occurred. So how to fix this? It is very simple. You have to choose same keyframes, for example, like this. Then this problem will solved. And if that problem still occurred, so it's also simple. Go to the either keyframe and change the settings and apply the same settings as you want them. After that, this problem is solved permanently, but before closing my video, I want your finger to tap on subscribe button. I know it's very hard. I know you will lose some energy, but you are a great person. So tap your finger on the subscribe button. Thanks for watching in next video. I will tell you how to make this. So subscribe my channel.